Burnouts are all about abuse.
Burnouts are about abuse. If you're going to do it, go all the way. Next, when you give it gas, you don't want to just lightly power brake it. You want to really... like that.
Let's see some abuse, bud.
It's one of them there Bluetooth shackles.
So hey, you fucking degens. Basically, Peg over at fucking Zip Ties and Bias Place. And if you don't know who the fuck he is, I don't know how the fuck you watch me.
Alright, start fire.
First time I saw that fucker's channel, you know, say, I thought I was at home with all the fucking goddamn swearing. Guy talks just like I do. Or whichever way you want to fucking look at it. So anyways, that fucking Canadian motherfucker decided to call out a bunch of people on the internet for burnouts. Christmas into New Year's fucking burnouts. Well, considering my fucking channel ain't that goddamn popular, obviously I ain't get fucking called out. But they ain't gonna fucking stop me anyways from having a good fucking goddamn time. Today we got the oh wait, it's gone. Did it make it with the hokey ass fucking oil pan repair job with some fucking butyl and duct tape? Who knows? Oh wait, I know. Watch this fucking video and find out. See if I make the trip and see if I make it to the burnout pad. Well, here, I'll start with the high grade stuff here first. Okay.
Wait till you turn it over.
Add the rest here, fellas, before it gets too late. I don't even know if this fucking thing starts yet. Actually,
Nothing, dude.
my fucking good tape. I couldn't afford this shit. I had to get some guy's estate to get that fucking tape. Okay, well, there's 5 quarts, 5.5 quarts in it. Yeah, or no, sorry, 4.5 quarts in it. Rate the capacity.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave this off and, you know, make sure we don't have crankcase pressure, you know.
Don't crank up the pressure.
So are we gonna make this a 2-smoke?
Oh, we will. We will.
Ooh. She's running fucking great.
Like Florida right now. Oh. Oh yeah, she just runs rate minute. Gotta make this light truck. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna make it. Yeah. God, this thing's so sketchy to drive. Oh, Blinky. Oh. Well, we got past the difficult part. If it blows out right now, it's fine. We're gonna make it.
How's that oil pressure?
Actually, oil pressure's rated 50, 55. Oh, Blinky's just letting us know it's running.
Ooh.
Fucking steering wheel is just, dude, it just goes to the right like a bastard. What a fucking turn.
It's time to give it a proper funeral, huh?
All the funeral. Dun, dun, dun. Well, looks like I'm fucking drunk driving this thing. I'm all over the fucking road with this thing.
Smells great in here too.
Oh, she fucking runs great. Don't worry, she's gonna get into race mode here soon. Yeah, no fucking vermin pigs to fucking harass me. Oh, I see that you're driving a legal inspected vehicle. Let me pull you over. Oh yeah, I probably should have checked to see if I had brakes. I really don't know.
That's only a 4-way stop.
Oh, I mean, we're doing something. Oh, we gotta. Oh, she died. She died. Oh, she runs right fucking strong. Floored. Still got pieces of oil pressure. Might be have pieces of engine here soon. There's someone out running. Let's see if I can power brake this piece of shit. It's got the fucking balls. Well, did some, fellas. We made it. She ain't running. We made it. I gotta back it into the garage.
It's getting ready to let loose. Definitely running on all cylinders. Get in!
Any oil in the gas, did you?
Not yet.
Oh, well, I don't think you should.
Yeah, she doesn't run the greatest. Don't worry, she's gonna get into race mode here soon.
Where exactly are we burning out with this? Right there.
You're gonna blow that plastic intake.
Under the truck there. She gonna leak on the way over.
Yeah.
Sitting here.
All the juice is spilling out.
Dipstick. It says. I mean, there's a drop on there. That's fine. Got all sorts of good stuff for it. This in here. Alright. I ain't that cruel. I'll give her a little more juice here. Oh yeah, read all over the valve cover, everything else.
Do you want a funnel?
Can't be too safe, you know. You gotta keep it from freezing. Alright. Oh. Can't waste it. Gotta get this camera going.
Oh, I like that.
I lost all the oil pressure real quick. Let her cool down. I bet she'll go again. It's a GM. Why the fuck would it? The man emerges from the clouds.
I think you're good for mosquitoes now.
Yeah, I think so.
I think you're good for mosquitoes now.
Yeah, I think so.
I was expecting to bang something, dude, because I was right at the red line, 5,500 the whole time. And then it just slowly all of a sudden went down, and I was like, all right. And then all of a sudden the oil pressure went, "Boop," and then it just went, "Boop." Didn't take long. It's Chevy though. Give it a minute. I bet you'll start right back up.
Fuck you, I'm making a movie. There is so much rubber in here. I walked in it. Oh no, I walked in it. It's like walking through dog shit.
Oh, she's a sizzling, cracking, and popping in here. Oh, that's cheap rubber smell too. Oh, that's fucking awful. Ugh. At least a Goodyear or a fucking Bridgestone or something, you know, you can sit there and get a good whiff of that guy.
Well, there's your problem. All the oil's on the ground. And no parts of the engine aren't. What the fuck? I want my money back.
Still.
You don't have a fan, do you?
Wow. This is like 5 minutes after the fact. You can kind of see the rubber now. But holy fucking shit, kid.
I'm glad I swept it before you came.
I'm glad I can help.
I ran a sweep.
You don't need to worry about the boiling oil. Save it, save it, save it.
It's gonna do it.
Yeah, yeah.
I told you, man. If the truck wasn't
It's a
such
fucking
piece of
Chevy,
shit.
man. Yeah, yeah, be prepared with that. That's all you're gonna give her?
Right.
What the fuck is wrong with you, kid? I mean, you need to hydro lock it on fucking ether first, you know. Give that starter a nice good workout. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all that oil that's on that pan and pour it back in the engine.
It smells funny in here.
Holy fuck. I did it. Full points. I made it to the back wall. Oh, I was down to the cords and everything. This fucking motor better start up and finish that tire off. Woo! I think she's cooled down enough. I mean, the percolator stopped percolating over here. So what you do is you take that oil that you caught and you put it back into it. Oh, look at that fucking oil. Come on in for that. You got fucking lots of metal in her. I'm gonna need someone to hold that phone.
That's more fun just watching.
Oh. Oh, the lake has that pan down there.
I think it's under there.
You're gonna get me all oily. It's cool. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Too full.
Wait for it. Okay. That's what I was waiting for. Ooh,
That was a hard seize.
that was a hard
Oh.
one.
Still coming.
It blew the fucking hat right off of it. Fucking
Oh, look at the percolator over there.
busted her.
That was a fucking
That old steamboat.
I think I got it on video. I hope.
That old steamboat.
This was a brand new clean drain pan at the start of this. Bearings. And Babbitt. Oh, fuck faces. This is the end of the S10. Didn't take too long. Oh, that's meant. Wanted to blow the fucking tire, but 4.3 says fuck you. The smell coming out of that. Oh, fuck snorts, remember, don't put your hands any place you want to put your dick. Look at that fucking majestic Jew.